Yeah, man, look. When I saw the title, TJ got attacked by Romeich and his thugs, I thought, hell no, couldn't be the up top boss. You know what I mean? If you were like me and you don't know anybody else named TJ except the up top boss. So when I heard that, hey, TJ got attacked by Romeich and his thugs, I immediately assumed that it was the up top boss. I thought that, TJ left Romeich Entertainment because, TJ, the up top boss, was affiliated with Romeich. Romeich was the first one who took him from the West, from St. James, and brought him to Kingston and gave him the highlight. But it didn't work out. So I thought it was, past relationship got sour or the situation had escalated, only to see that it was TJ the TikToker. You know what I mean? The TikToker TJ. I didn't know who named TJ, but I just want to say, man, hey, Ramesh had all right to kick his butt. This guy is a bitch. TJ, you're a bitch. You're a bitch nigga. You know what I mean? You're a bitch nigga for letting your woman get beat up and you got assaulted just because you couldn't keep your fucking mouth shut. You're a bitch nigga. And now everybody is hollering and, verbally attacking Romeich because he did what he had to do to protect his reputation. You know what I mean? I mean, Jamaica, which is now a part of the New World Order, has become so toxic towards those of us in society who made it out of the struggle. Jamaica isn't attacking Ramesh because he beat the shit out of TJ. They're attacking him because this is the only chance they got. This is the only chance they got, so they're taking the full opportunity to blast him, saying that, whoa, he's now taking up dunship and he shouldn't have done what he done. I mean, come on. What was Ramesh supposed to do? We're just looking at the elephant in the room and ignoring the fact that TJ disrespected Ramesh. And if you listen to the story, you can see that TJ had been in a bad mood all night with other persons as well. So it got to the point where TJ took that energy to Ramesh and he got his butt kicked. He got his butt kicked. So I just want to say, man, Ramesh doesn't deserve the backlash that he's getting. But because he's rich, because he's wealthy in society and he has influence, that's the reason they're trying to tear down this brother. It's not only because he ordered his goons to kick TJ's butt, TikTok TJ, because we have to distinguish who we're talking about when we say TJ, not the up top boss. Never. Who, me? Never, 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 no. Yeah, man. Would never be TJ the up top boss. TikToker TJ. So right now, because Jamaica is a part of the New World Order, and they couldn't get this brother to stay on the corner and idle out his days, he left the corner and made something of himself. He didn't make it on the spot news media, Politics Watch, and Popeye's evening news. So they hate him. They hate Romeich for making it out. That's the attitude nowadays towards persons who excel, who are excelling in whatever field they're in. They're just trying to tear this brother down when he had all right to do what he did. So I'm just saying, man, hey, leave Ramesh alone, man. Give the guy a chance. This guy does a lot of charity tricks for the communities. This guy helped Ding Dong, TJ, the up top boss, Shensia, and the list goes on and on. So just give Ramesh a break, man, and stop using this situation to bring down the brother. You all just bad mind the man.